Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm back doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started with the chart. First of all, we are having no high impact news into the market. So most likely, I'll be anticipating that most likely our today's bias will be sideways and the price is not going to be much volatile. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart, and what we see is that the price took the liquidity of all these area and sprung up currently. We have tapped this level and swept this extreme low of the monthlies and moved into the upside direction. So currently I'm anticipating that we'll be in bullish direction till we reach this particular FVG. So I have marked this level as liquidity sitting uh, right at this area. So I'm anticipating that most likely we can go till that high. Let's move to the weeklies. So this is the weekly chart, and you can see multiple lines. This is the monthly sweep particularly, and we can see that this candle has closed above the previous swing, which is a bullish sign only. I am anticipating that this area will turn into liquidity for the price to move into the upside direction. Sorry. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, we see multiple things. As we see that the price tapped this daily FVG, ignoring the BPR right here. So I'm anticipating that currently we are in a nice bullish momentum. So we'll be respecting the lower time frames FVG rather than coming back again and respecting the higher time frame FVGs. So let's move to the 4 hours. As we move into the 4 hour, what we see is that this particular FVG is already mitigated by 4 hour candle, and currently we are moving into the upside direction. So for now, my area of invalidation is this particular low, because I don't see any reason according to the 4 hour to for the price to come down and take this low. So this will be my invalidation zone, and if the price gives a close below it, most likely our ultimate target will be uh, this swings high. So let's move to the 2 hours. As we move into the 2 hour, what we see is that our invalidation is here too. So this particular swing, this particular high, or the break of structure is the most significant right now for the price to move into the upside direction. And I'm anticipating that most likely into the London session, we are going to come down and mitigate this particular level. So let's move to the 1 hours. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is that there are multiple imbalances left into the price right here. So I'm anticipating that the price can possibly tap back to this imbalances, and then we are going to go into the upside direction. So for now, this is our invalidation zone. Let's Yeah, this is our invalidation zone. I'll be marking it INV. Okay, and this is our current uh, working area, about 66 pips, most likely 50 pips around something. So if the price is going to go higher, I'm anticipating that this is the previous day's high, and we can possibly take this day high and then come down, mitigate this level, and then go into the upside direction. So let's move to the 5 minutes to for today's bias, because yeah. So we see that there is no liquidity taken by the market so far, and we are building liquidity right here by mitigating everything in more time frame. So I'm anticipating that in London session we are going to take this daily high, sweep it, move into the downward side, mitigate this market of just explaining. So I'm anticipating in London session most likely we are going to take this daily high, which will also take the Asia high, and then we are going to move into the downward side. mitigate this level, and then we are going to see an upside move so far till this particular high. So this is my today's bias, and if this fails, if this the price breaches the invalidation zone, most likely will be going down for the higher time frame, that is daily levels. So this is precisely my area to work in. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how do you see the market, uh, and also write me your key levels. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.